Welcome guys to the JavaScript series, and in the today's tutorial we're going to talk about the comparison operators, and let's just quickly go through them, and we want to move on to the logical operators too. So there is a variable a which is 15, then variable b which is 16, alright, and I do another variable which is result. Okay, res is enough. Alright, so what happens is a equal to b. Now what happens, this is a comparison operator. Alright, let me just write complete program, then I'm gonna explain you guys to you guys that what's happening actually. So alright, the program is completed. A is equal to b. Now what this gives back is, if a and b are equal values, that is if they are of the same numerals or same values, it will return a boolean value to this res. Now as you guys know, boolean are of two values, that is true or false. Alright, so is a is equal to b. As you can see here that 15 is not equal to 6, definitely. So the result or the res should have the value as false, and we have document.write that is printed res, and hence what you will see on the Chrome will be a false value. There you go. Alright. Now if there is another value is not equal to, alright, now this will return the value true. Why? Because our condition is a is not equal to b, which is true because 15 is not equal to true. So the res will have a value of true. Let's just run this into the Chrome, and true. There we go. It's all equal. Now similarly for our a is less than b, you can see 15 is not less than 6. Alright, so it will return the false, and you can try this at your home, and it will return false. Greater than, it will return true. Less than, equal to, definitely gonna return false. Greater than, equal to, definitely gonna return false at that time. Sorry, true at that time. And 15, if you make b is 15. Now if a is a greater than or equal to b, yeah, a is not greater than b, but it's equal to. So whether a is greater or equal to, it will be printing true. So this is all about the comparison. Well, currently there is no use for the comparison operator, but if we learn about the if and the else statements, where these comparison operators are so much useful, because we want something to happen if something is true, and we want something else to happen when something is false. Alright, so just understand what these guys are, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. What these guys do, that's all there is to understand. Alright, so our next question, next thing is logical operators. Alright, now logical operators are of three types, as I have told you guys. First one is and, then the next one is or, and another one is not. Now let's just apply these guys, and just to be tell you guys quickly, these and takes true and false as their operands. There is something that I want to tell you about and or not, and for that I have to clear this, and I will tell you guys quickly. Let's just talk about and. Alright, what happens with the AND is, this is not a program, this is just a basic understanding, you know, I have to write something to make you understand. Now suppose A is true, alright, and B is also true. Then what happens, that the result of A, that is A and B, is definitely true. Alright, but if any of these A or B is false, either A is false and B is false, alright, let's just make A as false, then this value, that is A and of B, is false. What is this is that both the values of A and B should be true for A and B to be true, else if any of one of them or both of them are false, then the value of A and B is false. Let's just go quickly through the OR operator, and OR operator is, if both of them are true, then that is the OR operator is true, that is A or B is true. If any one of them is true, then also OR operator is true. Alright, you can see A is false, but still A or B is true. Alright, only when both of them are false, alright, then this is false, else so you can understand, for AND both of them has to be true for being true, for OR both of them have to be false for it being false, else opposite will be the case. Alright, quickly going through the NOT operator. Alright, NOT operator doesn't take two values like or AND, like in this case, but what it does is it changes the value, whatever is the result, it changes the value as NOT of it. Alright, when we create NOT. Alright, so you can see A is false, B is false, A or B is definitely false because both of them are false, and NOT of false is true. There you go, that is the logical NOT operator. So let's just quickly do this, and I create a variable A is equal to true, which is a boolean, definitely, because logical operator takes boolean. B is equal to, let's just take true at this point, and we will change accordingly, and then another res. Alright, A, alright, let's just quickly write A, ampersand B. There you go. Well, this is ampersand sign, this is AND. Alright, document dot write, and there you go, res, please be quick. Alright, there you go. Let's just run into the Chrome, and then you can see true. Alright, both of them are true, hence it is true. Let's make this false. Now, you know, if any of them is false, then this has to be false, because both of them has to be true for AND to be true. Alright, so it should give the result false. There you go, false. And let's just make this false, and let's just make this true. Now the result won't change because, you know, still A is false, both of them are not true, hence it will be a false again. Now quickly going over to the OR operator. Alright, there you go. Now one of them is true, so the result res will be true. That's what OR operator says, and let's just look at this guy. True, there you go. Whew.